Everyone's obsessed with humanoid AI robots because of the marching, wiggling, even borderline creepy creations that promise a sci-fi future. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Here's the truth. The real AI magic isn't in robot dance moves, it's in something far more practical, far less expensive, and immediately life-saving. And that is Google's Gemini Ask in Photos. Imagine you're shopping for blinds. It can be complicated, especially with tricky old bay windows consisting of 3 windows at odd angles. Describing it to a Home Depot salesperson can feel like solving a geometry exam. And Google Photos, with a library of 172,000 images, can make finding the right reference almost impossible. But now, Gemini Ask solves this instantly. A simple query like "picture of bay window with shades" will pull out dozens of relevant images in seconds, including the exact ones you needed. It even adds context, such as the home features a lovely bay window with shades, often decorated for Christmas. This isn't a generic internet search. It's an AI going through a personal photo archive, quickly identifying what matters without scrolling, guessing, or frustration. The real power of AI isn't in practical tools like Gemini Ask that simplify our everyday tasks. Instead of investing in expensive gadgets, AI can provide immediate and actionable help, making life easier and more efficient. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.